Welcome to SsangYong and LDV. This is our Friday video and my name is Eileen. We've got very exciting news for you today that we're going to share. Oh, hold on. Give me a seckie. Where are you guys going?
Good to go.
Hold on, where are you going?
Are we going to Rarotonga?
No, we're doing our Friday live video.
No, we're going to Rarotonga.
No, you're not. Our customers are going to Rarotonga.
What?
I said we're doing a video about Rarotonga, not you are going to Rarotonga.
Ah,
Where does that work?
Well, if you buy a vehicle between now and end of September, you are going into a draw, one of 4 draws every month. On the 15th, we're doing a draw at 7 o'clock. Tune in, and you'll be going to Rarotonga.
Us.
Yes, no, not you, the customer.
Well, what do they have to do to get in the draw?
Well, they need to buy a vehicle from SsangYong or LDV.
Oh, like this one.
Yes, like that one.
Like this brand new 2022.
2022,
Rexon SBR.
that's correct.
That's actually pre-registered and I'll save the clean car fee.
That's correct.
Not us, we're not going to Rarotonga.
You are not going to Rarotonga.
Customers going to Rarotonga.
The customer's going to Rarotonga.
Not going to Rarotonga, boys.
how? Okay.
That's not okay.
Sorry, guys. Put
What about this car?
put your bags down. How about this car? Absolutely. Any car from SsangYong or LDV, you'll be going to Rarotonga. 1 in 4 chance for 2 people.
With me?
Not with you.
What about if I want 2 chances?
If you want 2 chances, that can happen, Rishi. So if the customer buys a new vehicle, they get 1 draw. If they decide to add on Gardex, they get a 2nd draw.
That's awesome, but not for us.
Not for you.
What about, does it have to be new cars?
No, it doesn't have to be new cars.
So any car.
Any car.
SsangYong, LDV,
Jared, do you want me to draw you a picture?
Ford, Mitsubishi, Toyota, whatever we've got
Whatever
on the
we've
they
got
go
on
draw,
the
right?
yard, they're going to Rarotonga.
Very good. All right.
Okay.
Fair enough. Thanks.
Any other questions? Do we understand what's happening?
Yeah.
There you have it, folks. Buy any vehicle from SsangYong or LDV between now and end of September. You'll go into the draw. 1 out of 4 chances. We'll be doing a draw every month on the 15th at 7 o'clock. And for you and your partner, come and visit us and buy a car and add Gardex for a 2nd chance into the draw.